A vehicle is traveling at a speed of 90 km per hour in a 4-lane two-way traffic road. If the longitudinal friction coefficient is 0.35 and reaction time is 2.5 seconds, the safe stopping side distance in meter for the vehicle is. Okay, from here we can write the velocity v is 90 km per hour. It can be written as 90 into 5 by 18 meter per seconds, that is 25 meter per seconds. Okay, here it is clearly given that it is a 4-lane two-way traffic road. Okay, and the longitudinal friction coefficient is given as 0.35 and time t is given as 2.5 seconds. Okay, the equation of stopping side distance is Vt plus v square divided by 2gf. If we substitute our values, 25 into 2.5 plus v square, 25 the whole square divided by 2 into 9.81 into 0.35. If we substitute this, we will get 62.5 plus 91.014. Our answer is around 153.51 meters. Then our answer, the close value is 152 meters, and this C is our answer. And we should know some more points. The minimum stopping side distance. Minimum stopping side distance is stopping side distance itself in one-way traffic road. Okay, and it is 2 times stopping side distance single lane road with a two-way traffic. Single lane road with a two-way traffic. If it is single lane road with a two-way traffic, the stopping side distance value we obtain should be multiplied with the 2, and that is the minimum stopping side distance value. Okay, and minimum stopping side distance is equal to stopping side distance for two-lane road with a two-way traffic. These points also should be known to answer this type of questions.